Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some super cute little Easter cards that I made for Easter, of course. I always like to make cards for every occasion, whether like the holidays or just, I love making cards. For me, cards are the most easiest thing to do if you don't have a lot of time to craft, but you still want to craft. To me, it's like, all right, sit down, Lily, and I can bang out like 4 or 5 cards in like an hour, sometimes even less. And this is including stitching, you guys, because you know that stitching on paper is all the rave right now. So of course, when I make my projects now, I like to consider a little stitch here and there. But let me show you guys what I made. But before I show you the cards, I want to show you the paper kit that I used. I used Celebrate Easter by Lori Whitlock. So cute. Look at these papers. I love them so much. This one is so cute. I don't know why I didn't use it, but you get a bunch of stickers and a bunch of cut aparts as well in the little kit, which I did use a bunch. All the cut aparts, what I do when I make cards is I stitch a bunch of them and then I just have them all stacked up there so that I can use them. I stitch the back piece, and then I can have a bunch of pieces that I've already stitched when I start building my cards. You know, it just makes things easier instead of having to go back and forth with the sewing machine. So this is just a few that I had left over. Let me see if I can pull that one out. I think there's 2 here that are left over from the cut aparts that I stitched. So you see this one, I just stitched it right here and I added a cute little flower. And then this one, I stitched it all the way around. So if I want, I still can make 2 more cards out of this and just cut the paper. And I'll have these to add to the cards. But let me show you guys what I made. So here's the first one. How cute. I did the yellow with the flowers on the base. And then I stitched in green all the way around. I did kind of like little cross stitches like that. Sometimes I like just to do like 2 little lines. I have a little doily, doodlebug doily. I also have a piece of the collection just peeking through where I just teared the paper. And then the little card has stitching on both sides. I used one of the Tim Holtz little word phrases stickers. This cute little bow was sent to me in some Happy Mail. Thought it'd be cute on her. And then this little wood veneer was sent to me by Debbie Love in some Happy Mail as well. It says Happy Easter. And yeah, you guys, that is this card. So cute. Next card is this one. And it's also a bunch of stitching. I did 1 stitch all the way around on the back piece, which is the polka dot paper. And then this one has 2 stitches all the way around. Just nothing even. I didn't want it to be straight. I like the little wonky look sometimes. And then this little cross stitches right here on the top. We have 2 little Easter eggs. And then I just added like a little gemstone on the bunny's bow. So cute. I love the way these turned out, you guys. And then I have this one, which is one of my favorites. And this one opens up this way. So this one has little chickies on the background. And then we have another little piece of paper here just for like layering purposes, because I love the little, like that plaid. I love it. So cute. And then Happy Easter little card where I stitched yellow all the way around. And then I added some grass. If you guys remember, I hauled that from Michael's. And I added some grass. I put the little chocolate bunny from the sticker pack that came in the kit. We get a little sticker pack. I used the chocolate bunny. And I just like tucked them in the grass. Added a little gemstone to his bow as well, or her bow. And then this cute little flower, like felt sticker from, I think, Target last year or Michael's last year. And then a little enamel dot in the middle. And I think it turned out super cute. And this is another Tim Holtz. I think it's the book that you can get like different holidays. So I went to the Easter section and I got Here Comes Peter Cottontail. That's that one. And then I made this one, which has a bunch of little wonky lines all the way around, which I love, in yellow. So that was intentional, just to make it look, well, this little part wasn't, but it had to stay there. I wanted it to be like all round like that, but I just went completely off. But I didn't want to have to throw the paper out and start over, and I think it still looks cute, right? I did some enamel dots on the top, one in her belly, a cute little bow from AliExpress, a different type of stitching coming across the little card. And that's this one, you guys. So cute. Then we have another one right here with the same thing, stitching all the way around, kind of like a triangle stitch, like that. And then we have the little card that I added some enamel dots on the flowers, and it had like a little flower pot, but I thought it was cute to put this little puffy heart from Target. And then another one of these little bunnies from Michael's last year. And hopping down the bunny trail, some enamel dots down here. And then this cute little like flower border is from Doodlebug last year. And yeah, you guys, that is this card. And all the cards are like different sizes. Some are bigger, some are smaller. Just a nice variety. And then the last one is this one, which is also super cute. It has green stitching all the way around on that like chevron pattern paper. We got some enamel dots. Cute little chickie from the same pack from Michael's. This little card from the kit is a cut apart, and I just sewed around the egg, added a little bow on top of the like paper bow, and then I put this cute little Easter card. I think this is from Target. Debbie Love sent me that. And then I did some ripped glitter paper in the back. And yeah, you guys, that is the cards. I think they turned out super cute. Let me know down below what you guys think, if you guys created some cards for Easter. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.